Common data sources, VPCs, subnets, AMIs. This lesson is not about AWS objects. It is about observation. Terraform can declare intent, or it can observe reality. Data sources belong to the second category. They do not describe what should exist. They describe what already does. Understanding this difference prevents silent coupling. A resource expresses intent. A data source expresses inquiry. Resources shape the future graph. Data sources read from the present world. They never create, they never destroy, they only answer questions. That limitation is deliberate. Terraform builds the dependency graph. Resources add edges that lead forward. Data sources attach to that graph, but they do not redirect it. They provide facts. Those facts can influence decisions, but they are not decisions themselves. This distinction matters later. This block declares no intent. It does not say a VPC should exist. It says, ask the provider what already exists and return a matching object. Terraform infers, this node depends on provider access, not on any Terraform managed resource. No lifecycle introduced. A data source has identity, but it is not tracked identity. Terraform can reference it, but it does not remember it across time. If the external system changes, the answer can change. Terraform does not resist that. This is observation, not control. Here, a resource consumes observed data. Terraform infers the dependency edge. The instance depends on the AMI lookup, but the AMI is not owned. If the lookup result changes, the plan may change. Terraform did not decide that. Reality did. Common data sources feel safe. VPCs, subnets, images, but they read mutable reality. If naming rules change, if defaults change, if filters match differently, Terraform will accept the new answer. This is not a bug, it is the cost of observation. This query has no memory. Most recent is evaluated at read time. Terraform infers the value is correct now, not guaranteed tomorrow. No version is pinned. No identity is preserved. The graph remains valid, but its input can shift. Data sources answer questions. Resources express commitments. Terraform trusts data sources completely and forgets them just as completely. They can influence the plan, but they cannot be the plan.